Hello everyone, let's solve this problem. Remove the ends node from the end of list. So given a head of a linked list, remove the ends node from the end of the list and return its head. So let's take the first example. So we have given numbers 1 up to 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the node that we are going to delete from or remove from this list is that's 4, right? Because we have given 2, right? The ends node, I mean the second node from the end of the list is 4, right? So we are going to remove this 4 from the given list from because well, this is the first and this is second, right? So we are going to remove this node. So how do we solve this problem, right? How do we solve, because this is single linked list, we can only traverse from the start to the end, right? We cannot traverse from this direction, right? From the back of the linked list, right? So how do we solve this using only single linked list? So one thing we can do is we can first know the length of the linked list, right? First know how many nodes do we have in this linked list, right? For example, for this one we have five nodes, right? So one thing we can do is we can find the difference, right? Let's say we have 5 minus 2 is 3, right? So we can traverse the first three nodes, and once we traverse the first three nodes, we will be at this position, right? At this position, and once we are here, we can just say like this node dot next is so we can say when we are here, our current is here, we can say that current is just current dot next, right? So we can revert, we can just say and return our head of linked list. But how do we solve this without knowing the links of the linked list? How do we solve it in one without knowing the links of the linked list? So one thing we can do is well, we can first move one of the, let's say we have using 2 pointers, right? Let's have 2 pointer, slow and fast pointer, and both of them start from the head of the linked list, and we will move the fast pointer to the given n, right? Two positions, for example, for this one we will move it 2 positions from the head of the linked list, so it will be 2 positions, and it will be at this position, right? And then in another loop, in another iteration, what we're going to do is we'll move both of the pointers to the same step, right? So we'll move s slow position is gonna be at here, and we will move this position with the fast to this position, and we will move s to this position, and fast is gonna be at here at this position. So fast is gonna move to to the end of the linked list, while the fast is fast route next in, and then it will move at this position, right? So once we are here, once slow is at this position, what we are going to do is we can say like s is slow dot next is just slow dot next, right? The next the next of this is 4, and its next is 5, right? So we can say the slow dot next is just slow dot next, right? So we can say that and return our head of linked list. So solving this problem in this way is gonna be of an operation, right? So we can solve this way. So let's go to the implementation. So first we have 2 pointers, right? Slow is gonna be at the head, and fast is gonna be at the head, right? Both pointing to the head, and we iterate over, let's say k in range of n, right? And we'll move the fast pointer to n steps, right? So fast root mixed, right? And once we are there, one thing we can do is if the fast is just none, if not fast, if not fast, if fast is none, we are going to return because we are deleting the head of the linked list, right? So we can say like head dot next, right? We have to return this. But what if it is different? What we are deleting another node except the first node, right? So at that condition, what we're going to do is we while the fast dot next is not known, so we will move the slow pointer and the fast pointer, right? Slow is gonna be slow dot next, and fast is gonna be fast dot next, right? It's gonna be this. Once we're done, what we're going to do is slow is this. Slow next is slow dot next, right? We can say this and return the head of the linked list, right? So let's see if it works or not. So as you can see, it passed for the given three test cases, and let's see if it works for all of the given test cases. So as you can see, it passed. So it beats this match with the Python user. So thank you very much.